Everyone's talking about AI right now, but here's the question that actually matters. How do you turn an AI skill into real, recurring income? Turns out, the answer is a lot closer to home than you think. Most people start on global freelance platforms, competing with hundreds of identical profiles and racing each other to the bottom on price. The local path works completely differently. It runs on trust, referrals, and repeat work. The actual path to income is just 4 steps. You learn one useful AI skill. You find a painful, repetitive task at a nearby business. You deliver a clear, visible win, and then you get paid. So what does a local business actually need? Not cutting-edge tech. It's the tasks they still do by hand every week. Answering emails, posting on social, replying to customers, booking appointments, chasing invoices. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You are not selling code. You are selling clarity, spotting the one process that's quietly bleeding time and money and fixing it. And this is your unfair advantage. Against a faceless freelancer on the other side of the world, a local who actually shows up wins almost every single time. So how do you land that first client? Keep it simple. Start with a free audit of their process. Send a short demo of the fix. Run one small paid project, then show the win and scale up. When it comes to price, this one rule changes your whole income ceiling. Don't charge by the hour, charge for the value, a fraction of the time and the money you just saved them. And here's the part that compounds. Local owners all talk to each other. One great result at the coffee shop becomes a referral to the gym next door, and that becomes the next client. It builds on itself. So the smartest way in is also the simplest. Pick one skill, find one local business. Start small and start local. And the fastest way to get found is to put your skill exactly where local businesses are already looking for it. That's exactly what Just List AI is for. List your AI skills and let nearby businesses come straight to you. Start this week.